All right, so I want to do a quick video update. A couple months ago, I posted a video with the lift I did, the front lift that was supposed to level us out. So it's a whole strut and spring assemblies. Put it in one piece, don't have to compress springs, nothing. The rough country 2-inch. And the funny thing about this, the reason I'm doing this video is because they actually don't sell just the front struts anymore. They sell it as a kit because people started complaining that their 4Runners weren't level, which was the situation I had, and I had to add the rear spacers onto this one. So if you're gonna buy this kit, I honestly recommend it even more now because it's a full kit. And when you add the front strut and assembly, strut spring, you're gonna get the rear springs and shocks now, so you're guaranteed to have a level ride. They didn't have that kit available. It was just the front when I ordered it. So I'm putting this out there. If anybody is looking at the lift, you watch the original video, you're not gonna be able to find, the link doesn't even exist anymore that I posted for it. So I'll post a new link for what Rough Country actually sells. But like I said, it's even better lift. It's only 600 bucks. And for 600 bucks, you get the front assembly, which is a complete package, just plug and play pretty much, bolt in. And then you get the rear, which is the springs and shocks. So it replaces everything for 600 bucks. As far as the capability of it, I can't speak on that. I've only done minimal off-roading, but like I said, if you watched the first video and you saw the video where I was complaining that this wasn't level and it never leveled out, that was Rough Country solution. They didn't help me out very much. I had to fix it myself. I had to order extra parts. But if you order the kit now, it's actually gonna come with everything you need that'll make it sit like this. So this right here is now the height of a TRD 4Runner, regular SR5 Premium, but the kit they sell actually covers all bases now. So I won't sit here and complain about it. This is probably my last video complaining about the lift because I did remedy the situation. I had to do it myself. But if you do order the lift, you will get the complete package. You won't have to worry about any of the issues that I ran into where you're driving down the road, and because your rear is squatted, you're bright lighting everybody because everyone knows a 4Runner has bright headlights. So when I put the rear on the back, that's what fixed my problem with people bright lighting me back, because unfortunately I was bright lighting them. My headlights were tilted up. So like I said, I'll post a link, and it's a complete kit now. I would recommend it. I actually talked to another 4Runner owner when I was getting my tires bounced and rotated, and he has that complete kit and he has no complaints. So I'll post a link, and I hope this helps. Like I said, I'm glad they finally fixed it. I just wish they would have helped me out a little more on the issue.